Hello everyone, welcome to Amreen's Easy Recipes. Today I'll be making a very easy banana and date milkshake. To make the milkshake, you will need 2 bananas, 5 dates, and 1 cup of milk. Okay, let's get started. So I'm actually going to make the milkshake in 2 batches because I'm using a small blender. If you have a big blender, you can do this all at once. So here I have 1 chopped banana, 3 dates, and make sure you take out the seed, and a 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to add the milk gradually into the cup. I'm going to add a little bit of the milk so it can blend properly, and then I'll add the rest. Now I'm going to blend it. So here I have blended it, but make sure there are no date chunks in the milkshake. I'm going to add the rest of the milk now. I'm going to blend it again so I can mix the milk in. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the other banana and dates. And voila! You have your very easy, delicious banana and date milkshake. The milkshake is done and ready to drink. I didn't add any sugar in the milkshake because it's so sweet on its own because of the dates. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share to others. Bye!